In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in MiniMax. If you've ever opened an app and wished the interface matched your preferred language, this walkthrough will make that quick and easy. We'll move through the MiniMax site, jump into MiniMax AI video, and switch the language using the built-in toggle, all in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official MiniMax website. Using a modern browser helps ensure everything loads correctly. Once the homepage is open, look for the Login button. Click it and sign in as you normally would. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight to your dashboard. The exact landing page can vary, but that's perfectly fine for what we're doing. From the MiniMax site, locate and click MiniMax AI video. This takes you to the MiniMax AI video experience that's connected with MiniMax. The interface may open in English by default, which is what we're about to change. On the MiniMax AI video page, find the language control labeled EN, typically at the top right corner. Click that EN label to open the language menu. This is the built-in switcher for the interface language, and it's the fastest way to localize the experience without hunting through deep settings. When the menu opens, select your preferred language from the list. You'll see several options available. There are 7 in total, covering widely used choices so you can set the interface to what's most comfortable for you. Keep in mind, this changes the app's menus, labels, and system messages. Any user-generated content like text or media you've added won't be automatically translated. After you click your language, the page will reload. That's expected behavior because the site needs to refresh to apply the new language across the interface. Once it reloads, confirm the change by glancing at the navigation, buttons, and headings. They should all display in the language you selected. If you don't see the change right away, try a quick refresh. Browser extensions that auto-translate pages can sometimes interfere, so temporarily disabling those or performing a hard refresh can help. Also, double-check that you clicked the language you intended. If you want to revert or try another option, just click the language label again and pick a different one. And that's it. You've navigated to MiniMax, opened MiniMax AI video, used the EN toggle, selected a language, and let the page reload to apply your choice. With your preferred language set, you can work more comfortably and efficiently across the interface. Thanks for watching and enjoy using MiniMax in the language that suits you best.